people? Huge shout out to Hall Nissan for allowing me to review the 2018 Nissan Kicks. Today we're reviewing the all-new 2018 Nissan Kicks. This particular model is wrapped in a monarch orange with a super black roof. Also, we have a keyless entry with a remote start. We are looking at a 17-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish. Right here is a 4-cylinder / 4-banger pushing out 125 for the MPG Highway 36, City 31. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We are greeted with leather with orange stitching. You have your blind spot detection. This particular model have it inside of the vehicle. Right here is an analog / digital gauge. On the left you have your digital gauge, on the right you have your analog gauge. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. The button over here have your traction control. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control. You have your gas and trunk release. Right here is a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with Nissan Connect. You also have a 360 backup camera. Now we're bringing it down to your door climate control. This particular model have heated seats. In the cubby area you have your USB aux with your 12-volt outlet. This particular model have a push button start. You have your shift knob wrapped in leather. This particular model have a 2-speed with overdrive. Wow. But if you're looking for something sporty, you should upgrade to the Rogue Sport. You have your cup holder area. This particular model have 2.5-inch Bose speakers in the headrest, making it stand out from most SUVs on the road. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is very spacious. You have your 2 USB outlets. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. This part is very roomy, measuring at 25 cubic feet. However, fold down the seat, you will have 32 cubic feet. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Nissan for allowing me to review the 2018 Nissan Kicks. If you need any information about Hall Nissan, I'll leave the link in the description below.
Real quick, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.